Nate here at Dry Dock Marine Center. Today we're talking about our Harris Cruiser LX 160, little 16-foot cruising boat. Champagne in color. Has a 40 Mercury command thrust on it. Nice big bench seat here in the back. Passenger's chair, place for a table. Driver's seat. Capacity for 8. Simple helm. Storage underneath. Courtesy lights. And starboard side bench seat. Port side bench seat. Great way to get on the lake for a great price. If you have any questions on this boat or any other here at Dry Dock, please give us a call.